how you can turn on keyboard lights on your laptop. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. First, what you'll need to keep in mind is that not all keyboards have keyboard backlight in them. So make sure that you read your manual. Don't get discouraged if you don't have a keyboard backlight, because you can always buy an external keyboard with backlights. So let's start. So when you look at your keyboard, you will see different F1 buttons. As you can see, F1, F2, F3, F4, and the most common one is F5. So when you tap on F5, your keyboard backlight gets activated. So as you can see, I've just turned it off, and if I press on F5, it will turn on itself. Now there is a different level to it too. It gets a little dim if I press it again, and if I press it again, it gets turned off. Now I'll press it on again. Now if this does not work, make sure that you press the function key, that is the FN key right here, and together with it press F5, and after doing that, your keyboard backlight will open up. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.